After losing his father, Mufasa, young Simba's heart carried both fear and hope. But deep inside, the cub of a king was destined to rise again. This is the story of Simba, the brave lion. Simba wanders through the wilderness, confused and alone, haunted by memories of his past. Simba struggles to come to terms with his identity. The shadow of Scar rules the Pride Lands, while Simba hides his face in the tall grass. Narrator: will Simba ever return to claim his birthright? Or will he let fear control his destiny? As the sun sets over the savannah, Rafiki, the wise baboon, appears before Simba. Holding up a paw, the baboon reminds the young lion of his heritage. Narrator: remember who you are. Rafiki says, the son of a king, the bravest lion of all. Simba closes his eyes, remembering his father's warm embrace and the love of his mother. Slowly, Simba shakes off his fear and doubt. Narrator: bravery isn't the absence of fear, he realizes, but the strength to face it. With a newfound determination in his heart, Simba turns toward the setting sun and races back to the Pride Lands. Narrator: the time has come to confront his fears and claim his destiny. Simba emerges from the tall grass, his heart pounding. Narrator: the once green and luscious Pride Lands are now dark and broken. The streams have dried up, the trees are bare, and the lions are weak. As the other lions cower in fear, Simba calls out to them, I am your king. Scar emerges from the shadows, flanked by his hyena lackeys. Narrator: the evil uncle who betrayed his brother and murdered Mufasa. Scar snarls, you're just a scared little cub. Give up and let me take over. But Simba stands firm, refusing to back down. Narrator: Simba knows that to save his people, he must defeat Scar and end his reign of terror. And so, a fierce battle begins. The hyenas circle Simba, but he fights back with the strength of 10, thanks to his training with the wise baboons. And just when it seems like Simba might be overwhelmed, a small bird swoops down and pecks at the eyes of the hyenas, distracting them long enough for Simba to escape their grasp. Narrator: in the heat of battle, even the smallest of creatures can make a difference. Scar lunges at claws extended, but the young lion is ready. He dodges the attack and pounces on his uncle, knocking him off Pride Rock. Narrator: Simba refuses to let go of his father's killer. As Scar struggles to regain his footing, Simba taunts him. You can't win, uncle! You'll never take over the Pride Lands! Enraged, Scar lashes out, sinking his claws into Simba's shoulder. But the young lion retaliates, biting down hard on Scar's tail. Narrator: both lions roar in pain and anger, but it's clear that Simba has the upper hand. Taking advantage of his injured tail, Simba knocks Scar off balance and sends him tumbling down the side of Pride Rock. The hyenas, seeing their leader defeated, flee into the tall grass, leaving Simba victorious. Simba, the brave lion, has claimed his birthright and saved the Pride Lands. As the other lions cheer and celebrate, Simba looks out over his kingdom, knowing that his father would be proud. And so the legend of Simba, the brave lion who conquered his fears and brought his people together, was passed down for generations to come. Hey there, Lion Guard fans! This was Simba, Part 2, The Brave Lion. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an exciting episode. Narrator: what will Simba's next adventure be? Will he encounter more challenges and enemies? What new friends will he make along the way? Find out in the next episode. Coming soon. This has been your host. Until next time, keep being brave and kind. The Lion Guard will always be there to help those in need.